My name is Terry Marshall, and I'm with Burr Manufacturing, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the Model 760 belt grinder. This here is our variable speed unit. It's a 120 volt single phase 20 amp. It goes from 0 to 8,000 surface feet per minute. We also offer this in a fixed speed model. It runs 8,000 surface feet per minute on a constant speed. It's a very versatile machine. You do have your belt tensioner, loosens your belt. Tightens it back up. You have a tracking device. We have the backup platen for platen grinding, the work rest table for resting your work on it, which you can tilt at an angle if you need to. And of course you can work off your contact wheel. This is a 3-wheel grinder. And again, your belt tensioner, your belt slides off. Very easy. Wrap it back on. Just kind of follow your wheel and you're good to go. Close the door and tighten it up. Over here, we can work off the platen. You turn it on, flip once up to start, the second time to start. It's about 7,000 surface feet per minute. We can kick the table out of the way, right on the platen, or right now on the contact wheel. Always keep the platen out of the way and use the contour knife. As far as tracking goes, if you ever want to work off the side of the belt, use your tracking device. And you can track all the way over one way. Go off to the left and work off your side of the wheel. The nice thing about the 760, even if you hit that belt, it never comes off the wheel. Let's say we want to remove some steel stock. Come right down the contact wheel. Nice and smooth. Nice thing about Burr is how smooth it runs. It's kind of like a belt grinder. They come in several different options, where you can use a serrated wheel for very heavy stock removal, or a narrow wheel all the way down to 1/2 inch. Or we can even open this up. Let's say you want to do a little bit of buffing. Loosen your belt. Go ahead and take off your belt. Just loosen that on up. Just kind of wiggle it back and forth and it will slide right off. And then we can add a buffing wheel. A little knob adapter. You can go all the way up to 2 inch wide with this. Go ahead and kick it back on once you close the lid. Tighten it right up. You do have the option of an arm attachment accessory, which you can add to your machine, with many different styles of radius attachments. And we also have a dust collection system. Simply by removing these bolts here, You just slide on your dust scoop. Tighten it back down. Close your door. And you're ready to go for a dust collection system.